I got a bunch of stuff to do today. What about you?
I have no clue what she just said. What the
Whoa. Okay, I think I can help. So she says, I got a bunch of stuff to do today. Translation, I have many things to do today. Gotta is a contraction of got and a. Got means the same thing as have or has. It shows possession. Got can also contract with to, so I got to go to the store, I gotta go to the store. Buncha is a contraction of bunch and of. A bunch is a lot of something. So she says, I got a bunch of stuff to do today. I have many things to do today. All right, I hope that helps.